Hi guys, it's me Christian again. Welcome back to my channel. It's 48 hours before I have to go to the airport to fly to Bali, and I haven't packed my bag. As usual, last minute packing, exciting, not. But the mail guy just delivered another package. Ta-da! This is amazing. Oh my god. The content of this package is a dream. So this is the DJI Mavic Air, the newest drones from DJI. The fact is, I never fly a drone before. I don't even play the flight simulator games in the past. The only video games I played are Super Mario and Tamagotchi, you know, the small little creature egg. Probably with this I will be able to create some amazing footage for YouTube's or images for my Instagram account, or just crash the, I think, above 800 euro toy. I will do the tryout tomorrow before I fly to Bali, but now I think I need to pack my suitcase. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.